Hey, welcome to Harper Family Farms, our first YouTube vlog ever. Deb always wanted to do a reality TV show. I was dead set against it. I didn't want everybody to see our craziness. Pretty much, huh?
Now we're bringing it all with us.
Now we're going to bring it with you. Yeah, we're going to bring you along with the crazy ride. 9 kids later. Oh, I don't know how many chickens we got. We got turkeys, we got ducks, we got cats, we got puppy dogs. Of course, you know, Harper Family Labs, another thing we have. We want you to enjoy this ride with us. We are not professionals. I mean, don't be coming off thinking we're like Arms Family Homestead or Justin Rhodes or any of those crazy YouTubers or Not Enough Nelsons or anything like that. No, this is gonna be fun. This is kind of like home videos, but we get to share it. Coming out of this crazy times, hopefully we're coming out of it. We haven't got to see extended family over a year. That's been hard on us. And so we just want you to know that we're out here, we're still living, we're still raising critters, raising kids, trying to have a good time.
For sure.
Crazy life, just enjoy it. Deb's rocking her shades because she does not like the sun. I have mine up on my head to kind of hide my pandemic haircut. We need a new haircut. Deb's been great about that too. That's one thing that's come out of this, save a bunch of money. We're just going to show you what we do, kind of how we do it with all our kids and all our critters and what we do.
How we can save money and make things go further.
Yeah, how does 11 people survive? You know, we only had 1 bathroom till this year. 1 bathroom. Now we got 3. It's been great. So we've done a lot of fun things during this whole time. We hope to bring some of that with you, share it with you. Probably bring in some of our vacation. As most of you probably know, if you know us on a personal level, we love Alaska. We love Idaho too, but we love Alaska. Today's a beautiful Idaho day. We're out in our backyard. You might hear the chickens, you might hear the turkeys. Heck, you might hear our littlest one, Sophie, running around. But we just want you to come along with our journey, and as we document our daily lives.
Yeah. And enjoy the ride.
Enjoy the ride. So if you haven't already, click, how do you do it?
And subscribe
to Harper Family Farms. Like our videos, share our videos, and yeah, if there's something you want us to do a video on, let us know.
Yeah.
Okay?
We love emails.
Yeah, email us. Email harperfamilyfarms@gmail.com. Yeah, my daughter Kate's videoing us and helping us out. Sophie's helping us out. We're gonna have lots of help with this. Yeah. This is something that Deb and I are just not used to. So yeah. So anyway, hope you like our first little video. I hope our teaser didn't drive you nuts from the beginning. So we're gonna be a few hours away from sharing this, what we do and how we do it. But anyway, Harper Family Farms on YouTube. Thanks. Coming at you. Thanks for watching. Is it working? Is it working? Oh, oh, oh. Well, we'll get used to this thing. I mean, hey, how you doing? Welcome to the Harper family farms. Woo!
Hello.
Anyway, crazy world. This is probably going to be on our blooper outtakes. Anyway, Harper family farms on YouTube. Thanks.